So what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. For today's video now, we'll cover some kind of mistake where some guys they make. Now when I first show about this neck cutting, one guy say cool teaching, while the other one say I try maybe try the neck, the thing pass 16 inches will be neck, then the thing gonna go 18 inches instead of 16. For my own understanding of this neck, and this one I just explain, you understand more of wetin I dey try do that so you know say they say channel for the first time, make sure say you subscribe, then you know say you wan like this video so that they will show this video to more people. So make we start the video now. So wetin be the first thing we go work with na be our neck. Our neck measurement na 16 inches. 16 na be our neck. So this 16 now you go wan work with. So as e be 16 now, then the next one we go do now be say this 16 wey we get now, we'll divide that into 4. Will give us 4 inches. Will give us 4. So this 4 now, we'll come add 0.5 to am. You understand what I just explained now? 6 inches divided by 4 give us 4. For example, using an example we do say now 16 now we will work with. So if you want measure your neck, you go measure and you go put your 2 finger for the pull. You just make a full small for the person neck so that the thing will go choke. 16 inches divided by 4 give us 4. This 4 now you won't use now. This 4 now we just add that is plus 0.5. We'll give that is 4.5. This 4.5 now you won't use now for what you won't do. So make sure say just calm down, make I just show you the way it be so that it's not gonna be like others where they complain and really don't understand what I do. So this material now we won't use for the processing what we want to do. The processing now we say, for example, now we don't come out our front side of the material, the front of the kaftan, now the back with this allowance when I put here, you know, up to wetin we dey use. Sure you understand. Now then I just 1 inch. I just want to use and do example for wetin you want learn. But mind you, if you want to do the overlapping here now, it's supposed to be 3.5 or 4 inches. It depends on how you like them. But 4 is okay. I think 4 is about 3.5 now they mostly use. So wetin I go do now be say, I tell you the total length we will need here now 4.5. You see them now 16 inches divided by 4 give us 4. Then that 4 inches now you will plus 0.5 now we use now I won't use now be this. So now one be this now. You say don't divide by 4. So from this line, from this our line here, you carry your tape put down there. You will measure come down 4.5. That is a 4.5. Now be this. Draw like this 4.5. So the next one I will do here now be say this 4.5 now we will divide that into 2. If you follow this step when I dey show you, no go do mistake. No go be like person will say na in neck na 16. So at the end of the day when you don't finish, the neck on the go 18. Sure you understand me? So you will understand more about this thing. So this 4.5 now go divide that into 2. We divide this 4.5 now into 2 again. Will give us let's say it will give us 2.2 something, but we will use 2.3. So 2.3 now we will use for this our depth side. You see them now. If you follow this step now, you no go do any mistake. Then move this side go up like this. Then this side now you come in here 1 inch. They will go up by this side 1 inch also. So we get your French curve. If you use them, but I go use free hand. Just join from here to that second line we will do. Then after that you cut. After you cut like this, you go do like this now. Then give a notch in here. You give a notch in, no go straight like this. Just give a small notch in, then may stay there. Then what we go do we say this place now we just come down by 0.2 0.2 now. If you drag and go that list, but I go use my free hand. You say the creator don't give us already, don't know where we want cut. Now be this. If you follow this process while you're showing a simple step, or if you know if you do any mistake, just as I'm say this neck now, this neck why I cut here. By the time you don't forget say I give allowance here for fold. I don't already fold this into two. Nobody say you go do and you go kiss yourself like this. If you do a kiss like this, say this thing no even dey balance. Already I don't do as if say we don't join them. You understand? We leave space of 0.5 here. Then the same thing here. 0.5 here now. We do those things as we say we don't join now, you go do overlapping on top of yourself. No do this mistake. If you do it like this now, another measurement now you go use entirely. So me like this now, I don't do overlapping like this. That means you don't do as if say we don't join the shoulder already. Then the accurate measurement we need now I just cut here. So for example, I say this one now, if you make a pipe neck, because you don't already add 0.5 to them. But this one now, you know, say if by the time we do and finish, we need to cross check whether the neck they exactly what to do. At times, if it they like that, but I know say no go pass. If you join with this, you go join here. So no do that mistake that person make. So this one now, this one a piping neck, no piping neck now. We they rain now. But if you want to do more, we say no be piping neck. We say not just round neck. We say you will later turn. You use the material. You get facing inside. You don't to do all the things before. If you understand what I talk, this piping one now, this piping neck, you know, I want the rain now. So this old one now, if you want one, then 16 inches divided by 4 also give us 4. This 4 now, no mind, you don't add anything for this 4. You understand me? No add this 4 now. We won't use now. No add anything for that 4. We just make am 4. Which we will use now for here now 4 instead of 4 and now. We say the other one we add 0.5. So this one no go add anything. You go leave on like that. I hope you understand what they show you. So this thing what I explain here now. If you don't understand, tell me for comment section. Make I know where they do mistake. So this one here now, this say we add this one a piping neck. This one for piping. Sure you understand. Now we piping this one. This one no piping for this one. So no piping for this one. So 16 divided by 4 give us 4. That 4 now you go stick with. This one I will stick with that 4 be say. For example now. The length of this one is 4.5. Right now I measure 4.5. Now it be this one. 4.5 now because you want pipe am. You no go turn am. So pipe myself, you know, say nothing like with the cut. But this one we say we go do 4. This 4 now, why we will do one the many allowance so we supposed use cut. Now we will use turn and go inside. That half now will stand for as a folding sewing allowance for the next side. I hope you understand what I just show you now. Instead of we say you know the pipe the neck, you don't know say this design you want to know the pipe the neck. We will do the neck. The exactly what you divide into 4. But we know say one pipe the neck, we will add 0.5 after I divide into 4. You add 0.5. No go pass wetin I just show you so. So if you know say you no understand wetin I just show you here now, tell me for comment section make I know where I did do mistake. And if you get any question about this thing, tell me more so that I'll do the correction. So I will see you guys in my next video.